afternoon po everyone. Good afternoon po sa lahat. It's Friday, TGIF. Yes, yesterday is Mama Mary's birthday. Kung may maririnig kayong ingay pala, bago ako magpisa. Kasi meron ata naglilinis ng ng road namin dito sa street namin. So sorry po kung maingay. The time is 2:22 p.m. and the date is September 9, 2016. Yes. Now, meron nang dumating ulit na package para sa akin. This one here, and this one is, I've been waiting for this. Kahapon lang siya dumating, nakakagulat. Pero galing lang naman siya sa ewan ko kung galing siya sa America or what. Pero, sandali. Takpan lang natin yung address ko. It's from ColourPop. Yes, from ColourPop. Said made in LA. So, buksan na po natin. Ito munang maliit. I think I know what is this. Kasama to nung ang tawag dito yung tatlo kasi in-order ko sa Amazon eh. Oh, there it is. That one. That's the one I ordered in Amazon also. It's a mascara when you put the mascara on, so it doesn't make a mess on your top lid and your lower lid. There you go. Ayan siya. Yung in-order ko. Tapos, yung ColourPop, buksan na po natin. Unboxing po tayo ng na ColourPop. Magpapasalamat nga po pala ako sa mga nanood ng vlogs ko. Thank you po. Maraming pong salamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang cute naman ng box. Look at the box. I love it. Isn't it nice, guys? Tapos, meron siyang foam dito sa loob. Ang type ko yung box. Dapat ito na lang yung box, the whole box. Ganito ang kulay. Ang ganda. Hindi ako mahilig sa pink, pero nagustuhan ko yung pattern niya. Alam niyo bakit? Para siyang old English style para sa akin. Tapos, ayan po siya. Sandali. Ayan. Ganyan. Ayan siya. Tapos, ang ganda ng box. Nakakapraning. Type ko yung box niya. Kawaii! Ayan. Tanggalin po natin itong mga foam na to. Kakalerks. Ang daming foam eh. Bongga sila. Ayan. Tapos, ang nakalagay dito, "Hey love, I love you from my head tomatoes." Ayan siya. Ayan. Tapos, thank you. Tapos, I think this is like a brochure of all the tips and tricks on how to do these things. See, it comes with that one too. One there. And what is this one? I think this is the invoice. I think it is, yeah. That's the invoice of what I got. So there you go. And this is what I got. These two colors. There you go. The other one is called, labo ng mata ni ate, nakaka-lurks. Hindi ko makita, mga kapatid. Tingnan natin. Buksan ko na ha. Bubuksan ko na. Sandali. Buksan na natin. Ito yung una. It's called Chili Chill. Chili Chill. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Chili Chili. Yan. Chili Chili. Yan siya. Tapos, yung isa, buksan na rin natin. Ooh, parang coral yung dating niya sa akin. Naked Ladies. This one is called Naked Ladies. Ayan siya. Ayan. Swatch natin. Gusto nyo? Swatch natin. Swatch natin siya. Ooh, very matte to. Napaka-matte niya. Ay, kasi nga ultra matte siya. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung Naked Ladies. Ayan siya. Tapos, patid natin yung Chili Chili. Ay, type ko talaga to. Oh, ayan. Napaka-matte niya. Ganda ng pigmentation. No, mga kapatid. Bonggalish. Ayan siya. So, yun lang yung unboxing ko. This is called the Chili Chili. And this one is Naked Ladies. So, there you go, guys. So, palitan natin siya sa box ko. So, yun lang po yung unboxing ko ngayon. Tapos mag-shoutout po ako. Okay, mga kapatid? So, I'll see you again later. Arrivederci! Bye-bye! Hello, hello po ulit. Nandito na naman po ako ulit. Bumalik na po ako. Tapos na. Sapay ganun eh, no? 2:46 PM na po rito. Kanina nag-vlog ako, di ba? Nakita niyo, nag-unboxing ako ng color pop ko at saka nung isa ko pang package na pang mascara. Anyway, hahaba na naman to. So, let's do my Friday shoutout. Okay, from the bottom, of course, there you go. All about the bus. Thank you, sis. Hello to Riley, Jessica. Hello, Jessica. Hello to your babies. Pinay Living Down Under Australia, Mommy Cindy, thank you so much for watching. The Doors Palak, thank you so much. HG Squared, thank you so much. Gem Doc, hello, hello, hello. Hello to Lynn, to your hubby. Lovely Amor, Lovely Mom Vlog. Thank you so much again for watching, sis. I Love Beauty, thank you, thank you. Bisto, thank you, sissy. Navy Doc Wipe, hello, sis. Thank you for watching. Tambayan ni Chai, thank you. 16 Pin, thank you so much for watching. Pinaya ko, thank you, thank you, thank you. I remember watching the Miley G blog, and then she asked how she's gonna gain weight. Kasi sexy to eh, payat siya. Kaya ganda. Mel G, there you go. Thank you so much for watching and for leaving your comment. Nice G, thank you, sissy. Pinay in Melbourne, happy Bubble TV. Thank you so much and congratulations, your 100 plus subscriber and many, many more. Charmy Lagaso, may Angelina Jolie lips. Yan si Sisi, meron siyang Angelina Jolie lips eh. Tawag ko nga sa kanya yung lips niya, parang si Angelina Jolie. Ganda ng lips niya. Okie dokie, let's go to my yesterday's vlog. I think this is, no, it's from the other day, the 9/7. So that's Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday, sorry guys. Okay, let's go in the bottom. As usual. Lovely Mom Vlog, thank you so much for watching. Pinay ako, thank you again. Ang linis daw ng bahay ko, sabi ni Pinay. Ako. Tapos, sabi niya, nice big haul, bakit mini? Ang dami. 4 na piraso lang siya, sis. Ikaw naman. Tambayan ni Chai. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nagustuhan niya yung sandong binili ko. Nice haul, sabi ni Wang 16. Inday Gudiday. Thank you so much for watching, sisi. Irene Vlogs on YouTube. My chinita, sisi, na maganda rin, syempre. And Magdus World. Oh my God! Hello, 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 darling. Thank you so much. Uma-aura daw ako. Thank you. All about the bus again. Thank you so much. Pinay Living Down Under Australia. Thank you, Mommy, again. Nancy Live TV. Thank you. Inday Godiday. Thank you. Mal G. Thank you. Jap Pinay. Thank you. I watched her vlog yesterday where she opened her swap box from Philippines from our other YouTuber sister, Irene YouTube. Ako, papatayin ako ni Sisti. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya dito sa channel. Pero Irene din siya. Parang si Irene Vlogs on YouTube. Yes. Yun. So, thank you for that. Jump Pinay. And Candy Soledad Mix. Thank you, sis. She's from Dubai. Katulad nila Tambayan ni Chai. Taga UAE din sila. Charmy Lagazo. Thank you so much, Sisi. Lace Vlog. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pinay ako. Thank you ulit. Pinay Tubo Agenda. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for watching. Something About Mary. Thank you so much, sis, for subscribing. I sub back to your channel already. And Kimi Kawaii 604. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all of you who watch my vlog. Thank you. I love you. God bless. Take care, okay? Bye-bye. Hello, hello guys. I'm back again. Ano lang ako. Tawag dito, grocery haul. Dahil nag-grocery si Habi. Matagal ko na rin itong hindi nagagawa. So, bumili siya ng mga kanyang mga paboritong my hubby showing that he bought me at Tim Hortons and Timbits. But anyway, this is cereals. Siya naman ako kumakain ng cereal dito, hindi naman ako. Kaya ganun. At tayo magagawa, hindi ako makain ng cereal. Hindi ako make cereal. Unless it's Frosted Flakes. Wala sila yung chocolate na Frosted Flakes eh. Kaya, hand crackers, biscuits, or crackers. Not biscuit, but crackers. For cheese, when you're having a cheese and grapes, you know, and stuff like that. There you go. More bread for him. He can live without bread. This is what I bought for pag nasa trabaho siya, nagki-craving siya, yan ang kinakain niya. Crunchy, Nature Valley. Cheddar cheese, this one here. Dinadala niya rin yan sa work. More bread, of course. Like I said, may sa bread. See, I told him to stop doing this, but he put this on his sandwich. Yorkshire pudding. Ayan. Pag magluluto kami ng sausage or ng chicken, sausage roll, fish, haddock, tempura, bacons. Ayan. Tapos, eggs. Of course, mabilis kami sa eggs. Potato, apple, banana, yogurts, Activia. This is so good. Ito lang kinakain ko. Minsan talaga masarap siya. Tapos, my daughter's dog food. Sugar. Dadala kasi siya ng sugar sa sa work para sa coffee niya doon. Tapos, yung gamit naming milk. Silk almond. Yan siya. Yan ang ginagamit naming milk. You know, natural na milk lang siya. Yan siya. So, usin ko muna yan para walang kalat. Bababa ko lang to. Okay. Tapos, ano pa ba? Oh, pumili siya nitong fruits. Vegetable. Fruits, strawberries, and pineapple. Tapos, yung plum, peach, what else? Oh, croissant, and chocolate croissant. There you go. That's it, guys. Yun lang ang aking grocery haul. Tapos nga, ito yung binili niya para sa akin, says pasalubong niya. Masarap pag may pasalubong tayo galing sa asawa natin, ano? Napakaswerte ko talaga dahil ang asawa ko naiisip ako kahit nasa trabaho siya. You know, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Para pa rin kaming newlyweds, di ba, Bongalish? Even though we've been married for 22 years this year, so yes. So I feel blessed and I feel happy dahil naaalala niya ako pag you know, yung mga ganung bagay. Kahit maliit lang na bagay, pag naalala tayo ng asawa natin, it feels like a big, huge deal, di ba? Alam niyo, makaka-relate kayo sa akin, alam niyo yan. So, there you go, guys. So, see you guys again whenever, tomorrow, the next day. Okay, guys, take care, God bless, and be careful always and be safe. Mwah, mwah. Love you, bye-bye.